I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select Benchmark. Give your API secret key. So please visit Benchmark API token. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. You can update benchmark by check this box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to log in. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to the benchmark page and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the benchmark. Thanks for watching.